Okay, we got the Krampus horns on. Does not quite go with my pearls, but I feel like there are two divergent parts of my personality and they're just clashing right now. But we gotta jump into it because we are, of course, going to be talking about Krampus today. Yule is right around the corner, so I figured it was finally time to make this video. Now, Krampus is one of my all-time favorite monsters, and his story really provides some fascinating insights into the intersection of Christianity and paganism. So let's jump right into the video. Krampus is a half-demon, half-goat monster from Central European folklore. The name Krampus derives from the German word Krampen, which means claw, and most depictions of Krampus show him with giant claws, sharp horns, and an oddly long red tongue. Krampus is the devilish companion of Saint Nicholas, and they both arrive together on the evening of December 5th, which is known as Krampusnacht. St. Nicholas rewards the nice children by leaving presents, and Krampus beats the naughty children with birch branches and sticks. And in some stories, it is said that Krampus either eats the children or drags them to hell. So where does the legend of Krampus come from? Well, some believe that Krampus has pagan origins and that he is the child of Hel, who is the Norse goddess of the underworld. Another theory is that Krampus is a representation of the horned god of witches. In an article about Krampus published in 1958, the folklorist Maurice Bruce wrote, "There seems to be little doubt as to his true identity, for in no other form is the full regalia of the horned god of the witches so well preserved. The birch, apart from its phallic significance, may have a connection with the initiation rites of certain witch covens, rites which entailed binding and scourging as a form of mock death." Regardless of which story is correct, we do know that the legend of Krampus became associated with the holiday of Christmas during the conversion to Christianity. This is something that really annoyed the church, and they tried to ban Krampus from Christmas celebrations. Though the church was definitely unsuccessful at this, and I can see why. I mean, when it comes to holidays, the fun traditions are always the pagan ones, so there really isn't much incentive for people to stop them. And it seems that Krampus is becoming more and more popular each year. In Bavaria, there's been this huge artistic revival of making amazing hand-carved Krampus masks. These masks are often worn during the Krampuslauf, which is where people dress up as Krampus and parade down the streets trying to scare all the spectators. While the Krampuslauf is most popular in Germany and Austria, I could definitely see it becoming a thing here in America too. I'm looking at you, New Orleans. A Krampus parade kind of seems like something you guys would be into doing. Anyway, another interesting thing about Krampus is that many believe his expanding popularity is kind of a reaction to the commercialization of Christmas. But now it's oddly kind of come full circle, and instead of being a symbol against commercialization, Krampus himself has kind of become pretty commercialized. I guess nothing is really immune from commercialization nowadays. But as a pagan, I love Krampus. I think his story is super fun, and celebrating Krampusnacht can be a really great way to honor Germanic pagan traditions. Additionally, Krampus is a great example of how our pagan folklore can break through Christian oppression and continue to thrive in a modern day world. So I hope you like this video, and I hope you'll join me this Friday at 5 p.m. Central for a special Krampusnacht edition of Pagan Happy Hour. I'll see you guys then. Bye!